Hey Denny, and welcome to my vlog. And this is what am I calling this one? This is the 9 is enough plus 1. We've taken Bear up to have his system cut off from having kids. So we're going to pick him up right now. All right, we are here at Livonia Veterinary Hospital to pick up Bear. Now he's had his vasectomy, but they're saying that he had a growth on his tail that could possibly be cancerous. Don't like that idea. He appears to be. Yes. Yeah, buddy. Yes. Go home. I know. That sucks. I don't like that thing around my neck.
I'm sorry, baby.
I'm gonna go home.
I'm sorry, baby.
No, look at you.
I'm
look.
sorry.
Yeah, buddy.
You're okay, honey. We're going home now. Don't be shaking.
There we go. You're good, bud.
We're going home.
Why'd you do that to me?
We're going home.
So why'd you do that to me? Where is he? There's the man. He says I can't see. I can't see a darn thing. I want that off of me. Yes, I do.
Come on, Bear.
I want that off of
Baby,
me.
I'm over here. Come on.
I can't see.
Come on.
I can't see where I'm going.
Come on, let's go pee.
I can't see where I'm going.
Come on, no running.
No running.
I'll put you on the leash. Come on.
Oh, don't.
Come on.
You're supposed to be wagging your tail, I don't think.
Oh, look at they cut all of his fur off from it.
No. Bear! No. Come here. Come here, buddy. He took off like a whip. Oh.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, buddy. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Go potty. Come on, buddy.
Come on.
Go potty.
Well, let's go pee. Come on, babe.
Go pee-pee, buddy.
Come on, I gotta pee.
Come on, dude.
Don't touch him. Leave him alone.
Go pee-pee, buddy.
Come on, baby. Come on. You wanna go eat?
I don't think there's too much by now. He decided to take off again. Jesus. Right. Baby.
I think if somebody would mark something, he'd do it.
Well,
Because he always does.
he's getting ready to. My turn. Is he gonna do it? Yeah.
Good boy.
He tried. Huh?
Good boy. Good boy.
That's what it takes. One
baby.
one to mark right after the other one. And she's peeing.
Good girl, Pocky.
Come on, baby.
You're going to have to pick him up. He's not allowed to do stairs.
Yeah, I know.
Wait.
I don't know.
You're okay.
His initial.
You just got to go slow, dude. Come on, go
It
slow.
wasn't slow a minute ago, unfortunately. I wasn't thinking about that. Come on, bud.
Come on.
Oh, what's he doing?
Mad at me.
No. What's he doing?
Come on.
Is he peeing? No.
Uh-uh. Come on, babe.
What are you doing, buddy? You gonna go in?
Come on.
You're doing something. All right, bud. We'll go in.
Wait.